Alam nyo ba, kapag to, pinuntahan nyo ng tour, di maganda. Imagine mo ha, yung ganda ng Malamja ba? Tigta 30 minutes lang or tigta 15 minutes lang yung mga tourist spot? No. So, travel with Kay Toretto, okay? So, choose Kay Toretto. Hoy, what if one day magkaroon ako ng sariling travel company? Ang pangalan talaga niyan is Travel with Kay Toretto. One sugar, one name. Hoy, the choice ay maganda to sa magandang panahon. Gapo na dyan. Ano? Shoot na ka. Kay Toretto, ikaw talaga. You know Philippine?
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes. One woman and Facebook friend.
Really? Add to now. You have to give me your phone. Ito, Sarah. Hoy, umupo bigla dito si Jahan Jahil. Tapos may sinasabi siya sa akin. What did you say?
You are looking very, very beautiful.
Hoy, unscripted yan. Umupo lang siya dito, sabi niya, you are beautiful.
Really?
Really? Ay, thank you. Yung ilong talaga na ito, yung nagdadala sa Pakistan. Ay, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Again, hold the hands again. Ay, talaga naman. Yung ganyan kagwapo, kinikilig sa gantong itsura. Sira ulo ka. You like me?
Yeah.
Too much or little? Nahihiya siya na
Too much.
Too much? Why? I'm cute? Look at me. I'm cute?
Mapuro ka kalandian, buksan mo yung passport.